beautiful. Plants have beauty.
What is that? Show me. Where is that? Plants have different.
Plants have different shapes and
Show me. Where is that? Put your finger. Sizes.
sizes.
Hmm.
Some
Hmm.
plants
Hmm.
are big, small plants are small.
Very good. The other one. What's your name? What is your name?
Shivangini
Say it loudly.
Shivangini
And you are in which class?
first B.
First B. And who is the class parent?
Tulika
Tulika Madam. What's your name?
Shamaira.
Shamaira. Can you read it for me, the entire paragraph? Read it loudly.
We see many kinds of plants around us. Plants make our world beautiful. Plants have different shapes and sizes. Some plants are big, small plants are small.
So what do? I select you for 2-star, or I should not select you for 2-star? You want to be selected for 2-star? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Pakka? Huh? And what is the roll number in the class? Shamaira, what is the roll number in the class? You don't remember? What's your roll number? 25. What's your roll number?
26.
26. Okay. Good. Huh? Okay, I'm happy. You keep reading so that you develop the reading skill even better, right? Both of you, right? Chalo, God bless you. Huh? Both of you are selected. Happy? Good. Congratulations.